There are 3 videos that generate up to 80% of all the real estate leads that we get from some of our YouTube channels. Now, having heard that, you might be thinking, well, it's probably the 3 most viewed videos. And while that's a very valid assumption, that's actually not the case. These 3 videos are actually not the top performers when you're looking at them from a view perspective, yet they pull in the majority of the real estate leads. So let's dig in and see exactly what those top 3 videos are, plus how to actually execute and record them, because you're able to do that right now. The first video that we launch in every single market that we break into is the everything you need to know about video. As an example, we will title this video, Everything You Need to Know About Phoenix, Arizona. This type of video helps you establish credibility and authority with your audience. And it's going to be very helpful to your audience because before moving into any city, people are doing their research. They want to know about the traffic situation, about the park situation, about what it's like to live there. They want to learn everything before they actually go and even take their first visit. It's no different than the research that you might have done when you were thinking about getting your real estate license. You went to YouTube and started watching some other creators sharing their actual experience as a real estate agent. This Everything You Need to Know About video is an absolute workhorse for us because not only does it bring in leads, but it also helps us convert those leads because we're seen as the authority in that particular area. And the resources that we use to execute on this particular video are very simple. We go to niche.com, we go to city data, we use Google Maps, some Wikipedia, greatschools.org, payscale.com, and to the official city website. Now again, this is the first video that we encourage all of our real estate agents to record right out of the gate, because not only does it work like we were mentioning a couple of seconds ago, but it positions us for the next video that we're going to create, which is the cost of living in video. As an example, the title on this video is The Cost of Living in Phoenix, Arizona. This type of video is incredibly important and necessary for those analytical people. And of course, it's also very helpful for those individuals looking to relocate to the area, because now more than ever, people have the option of where they want to live because of the rise in remote work. So a lot more people are mobile and they're not geographically bound to an office, which means there's so many more people comparing state to state, city to city, and really deciding what's best for them. And the reason that this video works so well is because by the time somebody is actually going through and calculating the cost of living in a particular city or region, they're pretty serious, which means that they're a little bit further down the sales funnel to where they're very close to giving somebody a call. Now, the resources that we use to execute on this type of video are also very simple and free. We use Area Vibes, bestplaces.net, livingcost.org, Numbeo, payscale.com, and salary.com. Now check this out. The reason that we make this video second, or at least after the Everything You Need to Know About video, is because chances are we already covered this particular topic in our first video, meaning that we already have some cliff notes on the cost of living. So while it may take you, let's say, an hour to craft out the Everything You Need to Know About video, it's going to take you a fraction of the time to execute on the cost of living video because you've done most of the work already. Now, the third video that we make is the What You Must Know Before Moving To video. As an example, the title here can be What You Must Know Before Moving to Phoenix, Arizona. Think of this video as a combination of the Everything You Must Know About video and also a pros and cons video. However, with this type of video, you're generally going to see more views because you create some urgency, you create curiosity, and you create a level of FOMO. Because regardless, if someone has no intention of moving to the city or has every intention to move to the city, they're going to watch this video because in the viewer's mind, they automatically go to the negative because they want to see what could be so bad with the city. Now, the resources that we leverage are very similar to the previous 2 videos. We use Area Vibes, Best Places, Living Cost, Numbeo, Payscale, Salary, Zillow, Redfin, Great Schools, Wikipedia, and the official city website. These 3 videos are absolutely changing lives. Now, what's fun about this is that you can execute on these videos right now. You have the answers to the test already, and I want to make it even easier for you. I will gladly share the scripts that we use for each one of these videos, but I humbly ask for 2 favors. Number 1, go ahead and comment top 3 down below, and then email my team admin at JaimeResendiz.com with the subject header saying top 3. This way they know to send you these exact scripts that we're using for these 3 videos. Now, if you'd like another way to grow your real estate business, check out this video right here.